50 sentences using the word according to.
According to the weather forecast, it will be a sunny day tomorrow.
According to the latest research, there may be a breakthrough in cancer treatment.
According to historians, the Battle of Gettysburg was a turning point in the Civil War.
According to the rules, players are not allowed to use their hands in soccer.
According to the nutrition label, this cereal is high in fiber.
According to legend, King Arthur wielded the sword Excalibur.
According to the teacher, the exam will cover chapters 1 through 5.
According to the financial report, the company's profits have increased by 10%.
According to the map, the treasure is buried on this island.
According to tradition, we light candles on the menorah during Hanukkah.
According to the architect, the building's design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing.
According to my parents, it's essential to save money for the future.
According to the artist, this painting represents the essence of human emotion.
According to the scientist, climate change is a global crisis.
According to the survey, most people prefer coffee over tea.
According to folklore, black cats are often associated with superstitions.
According to the Constitution, all citizens have certain inalienable rights.
According to the guidelines, safety measures must be followed at all times.
According to the calendar, today marks the first day of spring.
According to the law, smoking is prohibited in this area.
According to tradition, we exchange gifts during the holiday season.
According to my coach, practice is essential for skill improvement.
According to folklore, a wish made upon a shooting star will come true.
According to the principal, attendance is mandatory for all students.
According to The Economist, the stock market is experiencing volatility.
According to the manual, this appliance is easy to assemble.
According to the guidebook, this trail leads to a breathtaking waterfall.
According to folklore, there's buried treasure hidden in these hills.
According to the dictionary, the word synergy means the combined power of a group.
According to my friend, this novel is a literary masterpiece.
According to tradition, we light candles to celebrate Diwali.
According to the legend, a dragon guards the enchanted forest.
According to the explorer, this cave has never been fully explored.
According to the guide, this wildlife sanctuary is home to rare species.
According to the philosopher, the pursuit of knowledge leads to wisdom.
According to the weather forecast, it's going to be a beautiful day tomorrow.
So, according to the latest scoop, there might be some big news coming.
According to Mom, dinner's almost ready.
According to my buddy, this new restaurant serves the best tacos in town.
According to the news, there's a traffic jam on the highway.
According to the plan, we'll meet up at the cafe and then head to the park.
According to the rules, you can't park here overnight.
According to my gut feeling, we should take the scenic route.
So according to the survey, most folks prefer dogs over cats.
According to the rumor mill, the boss is considering a promotion for me.
According to the menu, the special today is a spicy shrimp pasta.
According to tradition, we always have a big family reunion for the holidays.
According to the GPS, we're just 10 minutes away.
According to Dad, the best time to fish is at dawn.
According to the book, this species is native to South America.